Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a whistle in Avatar World. So whether you're playing a coach at the gym, lifeguard at the pool, or just want to make some noise, the whistle is one of the coolest interactive items in Avatar World. And in here, I'm going to show you the exact locations of the whistle and how you can get it for free. So first, you can just go to this map and just go to the water park in here. Go to this location. Okay, so once you arrive at the water park or at the pool, you can see in here there are two person wear the whistle. This one, I think this one is a lifeguard. And if you swipe it again, you'll find another whistles in here. This one. Okay, I think this one is also a lifeguard. So if you want to put it on your avatars right here, you can just click on the lifeguard and find the items. This one, just click it. And after she put it down, you can just grab it and put it on your avatar. Just like that. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.